I'm just gonna say to Best Pills, Arnel Guerrera Castillo Jr., good to you. You deleted the post of Bongbong Marcos. That what you just edited. That's really bad to edit a picture of Bongbong Marcos, Best Pills. Arnel Guerrera Castillo Jr. Look at what happened to your grandmother. Oh, she was very stressed. Even your mother. Oh, oh. Even your dad, Arnel Salamat Castillo Jr., Arnel Salamat Castillo, oh, who was very angry at you. He is a jeepney driver. Oh, why did you edit a picture of Bongbong Marcos? Oh, right now, Joseph Maspinas had already filed the cases against you in the court in Davao for making a bomb joke, editing the picture of Bongbong Marcos. Don't do that, Best Pills. And tell your allies, Jean Asedio, Jeffrey Asedio, G. Macasandil, Paulo Cruzada, um, Jeffrey Asedio, Angelo Bonsa, even Teacher May Tiburcio, even Ivy Montaleola, tell them, do not make foolishness. Best Pills, folks, I do not want to pick up a fight. I am here to telling you, delete that picture of Bongbong Marcos. This is what my ambition was. Why I was angry at you, Best Pills, Arnel Guerrera Castillo Jr. Because you post on Facebook and you edited the picture of Bongbong Marcos. Millions of Marcos loyalists are gonna bash you anyway, oh. Not only Larry Gadon, oh, not only other bloggers who were supporting at Bongbong Marcos, oh. They will angry at you, Best Pills. Oh, if they bash you, oh, Dan Mardayo will bash you again, oh. He says to you in Tagalog, bakit mo binastos mo si Bongbong Marcos? Oh, that is terrible. You know me, there is nobody to care about you, You don't have a siblings, Best Pills. Oh, me, I have a siblings. They always caring me. Oh, Best Pills. Arnel Guerrera Castillo Jr. Don't Photoshop Bongbong Marcos. Look at Jens Manaid. Oh, Jens Manaid had supported Bongbong Marcos in 2022 in election. Oh, because his father is Kakapink. Oh, he's a supporter of Leni Robredo, even his mother. Oh, when Jens Manaid endorsed Bongbong Marcos and Sara Duterte, oh, look at Jens said so. Jens said so. BBM and Sara, oh, he vote Bongbong Marcos, so he votes Sara Duterte. Good to Jens. Jens is not hating Bongbong Marcos when there is a feud of Sara Duterte and Bongbong Marcos. Oh, when Rodrigo Duterte calls bangag at BBM o Bongbong Marcos, and he calls him addict, I respect those people who criticizing Bongbong Marcos, but not a deep fake and edit. Remember that, Best Pills. For me, Best Pills, Arnel Guerrero Castillo Jr., I am warning you, delete all the pictures that you edit of Tito Soto, Big Soto, Joey De Leon, even Isko Moreno, that the picture in the face in that magazine of Ara San Agustin of Tahanang Pinakamasaya. Be content yourself. Tahanang Pinakamasaya is not your ambition. When people are saying to you, Tahanang Pinakamasaya, while people are saying TVJ, enough. Kung Gonzaga is saying to you, Why are you doing this against the TVJ? Oh, you have to stop, Best Pills. Stop this creating nonsense or foolishness. Oh, look at Mr. Dennis Gill is watching you. Oh, Best Pills. Arnel Guerrera Castillo Jr. And and I'm saying, do not make edit. Delete those edit. Editing a picture of Bongbong Marcos. I'm saying to you, Best Pills, Arnel Guerrera Castillo Jr., that is a cybercrime. You have to respect. Me, I never edit a picture of Matthew Timbal. Oh, because if I edit a picture of Matthew Timbal as Ferdinand E. Marcos Sr., that is a cybercrime. Oh, I mean, when I edit a picture of Teacher Vince Ramos as a Russian military, that is a cybercrime. Oh, and I never do that to Matthew Timbal or even Teacher Vince Ramos, and I let them be. Oh, Best Pills, Arnel Guerrero Castillo Jr., let Bongbong Marcos be. Let him be. If you want to criticize against him, you call him Dura-Dura, and you call him Bangag, even his wife, First Lady Lisa Marcos, call her Bangag. Oh, respect. Oh, respect anyway, respect. You know, Best Pills, Arnel Guerrero Castillo Jr., don't do that to Bongbong Marcos. If you do that to Bongbong Marcos, the NBI will arrest you. Oh, they will trace you in IP address. Oh, you want to be happen? You want to see that happen to the picture? Do you want to see what happened before the election? A man who comment there in TikTok Live, who wants to assassinate Bongbong Marcos? Alright, Best Pills. Arnel Guerrero Castillo Jr., with all due respect, stop making nonsense and stop making a fights. And don't make any negatives. Oh, Lawrence Villawan, when he voted Bongbong Marcos, that was his fault. Oh, and me, I vote Bongbong Marcos, that is my fault. Oh, and Joannes voted Bongbong Marcos, that was his fault too. Even Jens Manaid, who voted Bongbong Marcos, Stefan Pimentel, oh, Joshua Cruz Titoy, even Ronald Rebena, even Cedric Mariano, Dan Mardayaw, oh, we respect Bongbong Marcos. As I'm criticizing him or edit his picture, a bangag. Don't call him bangag. Don't call him addict. Oh, Rodelio de Guman voted Lenny Robredo. Oh, when Lenny Robredo had lost in the candidate in 2022 election, Rodelio de Guman respect Bongbong Marcos. Oh, he never criticized Bongbong. Don't criticize Bongbong Marcos, Best Pills. Oh, respect. Oh, even Ma'am Jessa Fernandez, she's also anti-Marcos. Oh, I respect her opinion that she support Lenny Robredo. Oh, in 2022 election. Oh, remember, Best Pills, Arnel Guerrero Castillo Jr., and now it is 2025 election. You have to stop attacking Bongbong Marcos. Have mercy to that person. Oh, Bongbong Marcos wants to crack down the Pogo. Oh, this is what I tell to BP Austin Hong Kong, Harbatera. Oh, Bongbong Marcos wants to crack down um, um, anything, and he wants to order the police and military to arrest Apollo Kibuloy, and KOJC. I know this is our fault, and it is your fault too, and I know what you're doing. You have to stop. Alright? And first of all, Arnel Guerrero Castillo Jr., you have to apologize to Tito Soto, Vic Soto, and Joey De Leon, and even other the host of Dabbercads, even Anjo Yalana, and even Alan Kay. Don't edit deep fakes. Even Buboy Villar, even Isko Moreno. And your favorite idol is Paulo Contis and Betong Sumaya, and also Isko Moreno. Isko Moreno is no longer to be a kapuso. He's running for a mayor of Manila. He's busy in politics. As we are all busy. Everyone are busy in the politics. Don't do that. Have mercy to your family, Best Pills. If I were you, Best Pills, Arnel Guerrero Castillo Jr., show little respect